Good afternoon everyone. Today we will be doing exercise 3.2 question number 4 and 5 in book and 6 and 7 in notebook. So last time we have discussed about all the 5 angles. Okay, so all the 5 angles that we have discussed, complete the table by writing the names of the angle marked in the figure. That was acute, obtuse, right angle, straight angle, complete angle that we have discussed. So now here he is asking about acute angle, obtuse angle and reflex angle. As you can see that I have already given here this right angle. Okay, so you can write the right angles also and make a box, and then you can write the right angle also. Okay, so now here complete the table by writing the names of the angle marked in the figure. Okay, so now complete the table by writing the names of the angle marked in the figure. Acute angle, firstly we have to tell how we will find the acute angle here. As I have already told you, the acute angle is smaller than 90 degree, smaller than 90 degree, smaller than 90 degree. It will be always the angle that will shape like this. Okay, the size of the angle will always be less than 90 degree, so you can say that it will shape like this. Okay, so as you can see here, this one is the smallest angle that you can see here, H and F. Okay, these are the smaller angles here. So how you will read this number, acute angles, how you will read this numbers now? F H I, F H I, when you are talking about this vertex. Okay, F H I is an acute angle, or you can write like this also, I H F, I H F, and the angle that you are talking about is this, I H F. So or you can write I H F. Okay, for this F H I or I H F. Here now acute angle, one more acute angle that I have is this one, F1. Okay, F vertex. So now how you will read this? As you can see, these all are the bigger ones. Okay, so we will not look at this. So now HFE, HFE is the next acute angle, or you can write it as opposite of this, EFH. बिल्कुल उल्टा कर देना आपको. एंड हमेशा याद रखना है कि 3 अल्फ़ाबेट्स होते हैं एक एंगल को दिखाने के लिए, एंगल को शो करने के लिए. ओके, सो नाउ हेयर obtuse angle. Which one is obtuse angle here? So obtuse angle is always bigger than 90 degree. This, like this. Okay, more than this. This one is right angle and this one is obtuse angle, bigger than 90 degree. Okay, so now as you can see, these are the obtuse angles. How you will write this obtuse angle here? I J A, I J A, as I have written here, I J A, or A J I, opposite of this, or here E D C, I J A E D C. Here this one, this vertex we are talking about. Okay, so now E D C, vertex को हमेशा बीच में लिखना है. तो ई डी सी हो गया, या फिर आप लिख सकते हो सी डी ई, सी डी ई. रिफ्लेक्स एंगल्स नाउ ऑलवेज 180 डिग्री से 180 डिग्री इज कंप्लीट एंगल and reflex angle will be more than 180 degree. Okay, more than 180 degree. सर्कल कंप्लीट होता नजर आएगा आपको. तो ये रहे दोनों रिफ्लेक्स एंगल्स, एच आई जे as I have written, or angle J I H, or F E D, or D E F. These are the D E F. Okay, these are the reflex angles. Now right angles. As you can see, this is the sign of the right angle. This is the sign of the right angle. So how you will represent this? JAC, और CAJ. सेम नेम है, एक एंगल के दो नाम होते हैं मतलब. ओके, देन यू हैव दिस एंगल DCA और ACD is the right angle that is given to you. So all these angles we have written. Now Gunjan and Wasim find a bent rod while playing playing. Gunjan says that the rod is bent at an obtuse angle, but the Wasim claims that it is bent as a reflex angle. What is right? So as you can see here, we do not have any signs of the angle. Only the single rod is bent. Okay, as you can see that as we do not have any angle symbol here, so we can represent angle in both way also. This one, if we represent like this, it means that we are representing as an obtuse angle. But if we are representing like this, it means that we are showing it as reflex angle. So both the children are correct. So you write both are correct, as both angle can be formed, and you will be making this like this also. Okay, you can draw like this also here. This is an obtuse angle if we look like this, and if we look like this outside, from outside, it is a reflex angle. Okay, so these two both questions you will do in the book. After that, the questions that you will be doing in the notebook. Amit is facing the east direction. Amit is facing the east direction. She turns 3 right angle towards the left. Which direction is he facing now? Okay, now he is facing in which direction? As you can see that I have already made the directions. Amit is facing, Amit is standing at the east direction. If we move left, left will be this side of Amit. Okay, so if we move left side, 3 time right angle. Each direction is having, this part is 90 degree, 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 or then only it makes 360 degree. So he had turned 3 time right angle. So 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. So he will reach at south direction. He will reach at south direction. So we will write answer south. Okay, he will be facing now, Amit will be facing south direction. Okay, in south direction he will be standing. Reena is facing the northeast direction. She turns 3 right angle towards her. Reena is facing northeast direction. She turns 3 right angle towards her left. When direction, which direction is she facing now? So, okay, sorry, I have written wrong. Reena is facing northeast direction. She turns a right angle towards her left. Only 1 time she is going. Okay, not 3 times. I will change this question. Don't worry. Now she is actually facing here. You can see that she is turns a right angle towards her left only once. Only once she is facing. So these all are the direction. North, east, west you have already done. So there are sub directions also. 4 sub directions are there. That is northeast, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Okay. So if we miss, actually we are talking about northeast direction. So means that Reena is standing here, and she turns right angle once. As she is standing here and she is turning left once, and right angle, for a right angle she is turning here. So it means that now she is standing at the northwest direction. Now she is standing at the northwest direction. So I will write the answer here, northwest. अगेन द गैप ऑफ दिस एंगल्स, डायरेक्शन के बीच में जो एंगल्स का गैप है वो भी 90 डिग्री का ही है. सो नॉर्थ ईस्ट से नॉर्थ वेस्ट में जाने में तो 90 डिग्री पूरे हो जाएंगे, एंड शी इज टर्निंग लेफ्ट साइड. सो दैट्स वाई वी विल रीच टू नॉर्थ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. तो Reena will see the, now she will be facing northwest direction. I hope that it will be more clear to you now. And those students who have not submitted their project, please submit it, as today is the last date. After that I will not be saying, and I will not be giving you marks. Okay, bye bye students.